Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your current state. Back up the config. JSON and %appdata%/blockstrap so you can revert if needed. Next, open the Bloxstrap application or launch it with the config flag to load a specific settings file. Once done, enable developer mode or debug in the interface so you can watch for validation messages. This helps you spot typos and malformed JSON immediately. Now move to the Settings panel to change the first values. You now edit the core settings. Change the launcher path to point at the correct Roblox executable, set a custom theme color, and add or tweak game args. If you must update a token, proxy, or alternate auth option, do so precisely because small mistakes break connectivity. Always keep JSON structure intact. Commas, braces, and quotes matter. After making edits, validate the file with the apps validator or an online linter, so the launcher will parse settings without errors. You finish by saving your updated config and fully restarting both Bloxstrap and the Roblox client so changes apply. Then run a quick play test and monitor the logs for any warnings or failed modules. That tells you if settings loaded correctly. If the client fails to launch or features are missing, restore the backup copy you made earlier or inspect the debug output for parse errors and missing files. One key troubleshoot tip. Incorrect path or bad JSON are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.